It's okay to move, Bruce. It's okay to move.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Brucey. You like Angry Birds? You do? What's that you have?
Pops.
Who gave that to you? Ninang?
Ninang Kim.
Ninang Kim. You love her?
Yes.
Say, I love you, Ninang Kim.
Yes.
Say, I love you, Ninang Kim.
I love you, Ninang Kim.
Blow her a kiss. Okay. Oh, go eat it. You excited? Careful, though. He's too good to be eaten? You don't know where to start? Alright.
I ate on. I ate one eye.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's alive.
It's not alive?
No.
Hmm?
Now can
You
I
think
go down?
Did you think he got hurt there?
No, it's just a cake pop.
It's just a cake pop? Are you sure he's not gonna cry later and said he has an owie?
No, it's just a cake pop, but it's not the eye. It's just a cake.
Alright, you sure?
Oh, no.
You think we should put a band-aid?
No!
You sure?
But the band-aid will get dirty.
Really? Let's put medicine. Oh, let's take him to the hospital. To the
No!
doctor. Why?
Because he's just a cake.
It's just a cake. Alright. Is it good, Brucey? You love it? Where's your I love it
I
face?
want it.
You don't want it? Why?